Let's create a budget. Let's get out of debt. Let's build wealth. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going over the different bubbles in our flow chart. So over the last couple of videos, we went over income. That is all the money that comes into your household. We have also looked at checking account and how it's the gateway to all other directions on the chart. We've reviewed the different lines of credit. So in this video, we're going to go over bad debt. When looking at bad debt, you must decide that you want to get out of debt. I know everybody thinks they want to get out of debt, but sometimes it's just not brought up. That is, the fact that it's just like everything else in life. If you want to get out of debt, you must give something up to get what you want. So the first step in getting out of debt is the understanding of what you're trying to do, and the fact that it will take some discipline to spend and save in a way that you may not be used to. Next, you must devise a plan for getting out of debt. I would suggest writing down all of your debt and decide which one you're going to pay off first. There are multiple ways of paying off debt. If you're following the advice of this channel, you'll be using the velocity banking strategy to eliminate debt. That is, once your line of credit is maxed, you will chunk at debt. How do you do this? If you haven't watched the previous videos, watch it and choose your debt tool. So if you haven't started the infinite banking concept and you haven't established your bank yet, then you can eliminate this debt tool. And if you do not own a house, then you can eliminate the HELOC debt tool. Next would be the line of credit. If you do not already have a line of credit, if your credit is good enough, then you can call the bank and try to acquire a line of credit. If you can't get a line of credit, make sure to ask the banker what they look for so that you can prepare for the future in acquiring this line of credit. So if you cannot get the line of credit at this time, you can eliminate this debt tool. So if you already have credit cards and credit card debt, you can start here. Pick one of your credit cards to use as a debt weapon. If you do not currently own a credit card, you could apply for credit cards to see if you can get approved. You could then use this credit card as your debt weapon to start the velocity banking process. If you apply and do not get approved, then you can eliminate this as a debt tool. If you do not have any of these previous lines of credit, then you may just be starting off and not have a credit history yet, or you dug yourself really deep and your credit cards got cut off. So at this point, what you will need to do is have patience. So you will make the minimum payment on all of your credit cards or all of your bills, and then save the cash, your cash flow, just save it up to acquire a secure line of credit. Once you have gotten the amount that you want to start off with, I would suggest trying the Discover card first for secure line of credit. If you cannot get the Discover card, then any Visa or MasterCard will do. If even after saving up and applying you get denied for the secure credit card, then you can eliminate this as your debt tool. If you made it to this point, you should already have some cash built up. My suggestion would be to start the infinite banking concept. Once you acquire that, then get your checking account to the required amount and start to use the infinite banking concept, your bank policy, as your line of credit. Again, remember you'll have a premium payment, but with whatever cash you have left over, you can set that as your MEC limit and start your infinite banking concept. This may require some time, but it is the most conservative way possible, and it will ensure that your debt plan is a success. If you do not want to deal with the infinite banking concept, then use your creative imagination to have your savings account become your line of credit. You can kind of think of this like a paper trading account, and when you're trading, you can practice having a line of credit by using your savings account as your line of credit. So that cash you have built up, transfer that to your savings account, and then it will work just like a line of credit. You'll transfer in and out of your savings account. So let's do a recap. First, decide that you're going to pay off debt and understand what it takes to do this. You would then create your plan and then decide on your current situation which debt tool are you going to use to pay off your debt. Again, I cannot stress enough the importance of patience when doing your debt plan. Trust me, you will be tested. You'll get frustrated, you may become impatient, and you can get overwhelmed. To combat these feelings, spend time learning on these concepts. Learn more and more about velocity banking, infinite banking, and what you're trying to do. If you have those feelings, read books, self-help books on those, and find ways, to help you understand and get through this. Once you get through it, you'll be able to start building wealth and reverse this process. And if you have a ton of debt, then you could really get overwhelmed pretty easily. So always remember this book, The One Thing by Gary Keller. If you ever start to get off track, reread this book. Anybody can get out of debt. It just takes patience and discipline, consistency, and always increasing your knowledge. Once you have all of that, then you'll just follow a certain pattern. And with this pattern, you understand that by paying attention to how much you are spending on utilities, how much your budget is, and to always pay yourself back when you borrow from your bank, that this will increase the effectiveness and the speed at which you're paying off your bad debt. Let's review the steps one more time. Step 1, understand what you're trying to do. Step 2, create a plan for getting out of debt. Step 3, choose your debt tool or debt weapon. Step 4, you'll follow a certain flow to eliminate debt. And then step 5, you'll combat frustrations of being impatient and becoming overwhelmed with the understanding that these are normal reactions, and to continue to grow in knowledge through reading and studying these concepts. Getting out of debt can be done by anyone. They just have to have that drive and desire and the want to do it. So if you have any questions, guys, leave comments below in this video, and I'll try to answer and help in any way that I can as soon as I'm able to get to it. So again, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. Clicking the notification bell will alert you anytime a new video comes out. And if you found value in this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. Clicking that thumbs up button does help to push these videos out to more and more people so that they may change their lives and their family lives. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.